How to pronounce the word hierarchy? Let's break it down. The word hierarchy has 3 syllables and it goes like this. Hierarchy. Repeat after me. Hierarchy. Easy, right? Now let me tell you about where most people go wrong. Many get confused by the spellings, right? Because of IE in the middle. And some people say hierarchy or even hierarchy. But here is a trick, dear friends. Focus on the high and the key and you are almost there. Let's slow it down one more time. Start with the high, like the word high up in the sky. Then add ER, like the sound in her. Finish with key, like key, but with an sound before it. Put it all together, hierarchy. Now let's try it in a sentence. The company has a strict hierarchy for decision making. Thank you.